Today I want to share my enthusiasm for Manta, a cryptocurrency that stands out to me during this bullish market phase. When we talk about adding a solid, reliable cryptocurrency to our portfolio, we often default to the usual suspects like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, and XRP. However, the goal here is to explore options beyond the familiar, perhaps something fresher on the scene. In this context, Manta, along with Casper, springs to mind as noteworthy candidates. Though Casper is interesting, our focus today is squarely on Manta. So what exactly is Manta, and how far can it climb during this bull run? These are the questions I plan to delve into during this presentation. Let's dive in without delay. I want to clarify that this presentation isn't about diving deep into the technical weeds. If you're looking for in-depth blockchain technology explanations, there are plenty of resources out there for that. My aim is to navigate the complexities of the cryptocurrency world in a way that's accessible and ultimately profitable for us. Manta catches the eye for several reasons, especially its place in the growing niche of modularity blockchains, a trend gaining traction with projects like Celestia. What sets Manta apart are its dual components, making it both intriguing and a bit complex to grasp initially. In simple terms, Manta is comprised of two layers: Manta Atlantic, which serves as a foundational Layer 1, and Manta Pacific, an EVM-compatible Layer 2. These layers represent two distinct aspects of the platform, offering a unique blend of functionalities. Regarding the technicalities, I'll keep it straightforward. Manta is recognized for its speed and security. The Layer 2 aspect, Manta Pacific, is particularly promising in this bullish market phase due to its impressive total value locked TVL, which is significantly high relative to its market capitalization. This is noteworthy because, despite being a relatively new entrant to the crypto world, Manta's market cap hasn't hit the billion-dollar mark yet. However, its high TVL is a strong indicator of a robust and promising chain likely to excel in the bull run. Another aspect of Manta that excites me is its bullish chart pattern. As you know, I have a preference for cryptocurrencies that are fresh on the scene. I typically steer clear of ones from previous bull runs, as they often have exhausted their growth potential within that period. Manta, however, is brimming with potential catalysts for this cycle. A prime example is the anticipated Coinbase listing. While it's already available on Binance, securing a spot on Coinbase could significantly boost its value during this bull run, a prospect I certainly don't want to miss. The price history of Manta has shown some fluctuation. It rose, dipped, and then entered a consolidation phase. Now, it seems poised for the next upward movement. When comparing Manta's potential price trajectory, I like to think of it in relation to Polygon, Matic, which led the pack as a Layer 2 solution in the last bull run. To be transparent, I believe Polygon, Matic, has the potential to outperform its previous accomplishments this cycle, possibly even eclipsing Manta. However, the world of crypto technology evolves at a lightning pace. Failing to match or exceed the advancements of your competitors can quickly render you obsolete in the Layer 2 space. I see Manta as a strong contender for the leading scaling solution this bull run, but it's a competitive field. The ultimate question is which project will emerge as the premier EVM scaling solution. Only time will reveal the victor in this dynamic and fiercely contested arena. Comparing Manta to Matic offers an intriguing perspective on potential returns. If Manta were to reach the peak price that Matic achieved during the last cycle, investors could see a return of 25 times their initial investment. This prospect of a 25x return is particularly appealing given the current market state, which is not in the depths of a bear market but rather transitioning from a bearish phase towards a full-on bull run. We're on the cusp of greater market momentum, making such a return highly attractive at this juncture. Considering we're in this intermediate market phase, aiming for a 25x gain, or possibly even more, seems within the realm of reasonable expectations. My personal position on Manta was secured at a lower price point, which naturally positions me for an even higher return on investment, ROI. This underscores the potential for significant gains, especially for early investors who entered at more favorable prices. My optimism for Manta is sky high. For those who manage to invest early, the potential for gains might even reach up to 35x, given their advantageous entry point. However, aiming for a return anywhere between 20x to 40x for Manta does not seem out of reach to me, I genuinely believe that Manta deserves a place in investors' portfolios, representing a notable share for those considering diversification. While I must emphasize that this video does not constitute financial advice, allocating a small portion, say 5% of your portfolio to Manta, could serve as both a safeguard against higher-risk investments and a source of substantial returns. The anticipated range of 20x to 40x gains appears quite achievable, in my view. Regarding exchange listings, Manta's presence on major platforms like Binance, HTX, and Bybit right from the start is impressive. Some might argue that being on Binance already might mean it's too late to jump in, but I see it differently. Despite its current listings, I believe there's still plenty of upward potential, especially with the anticipated Coinbase listing on the horizon. The Manta ecosystem is just starting to unfold, and I foresee significant growth this cycle, which should positively impact its price. So while some might caution that the early advantage is lost once a crypto hits major exchanges like Binance, Manta's journey appears to be just beginning. With a price target of $78 within sight, the bull run ahead promises exciting possibilities, but as always, the future remains to be seen, and only time will unfold the full story. In conclusion, Manta represents not just another cryptocurrency, but a beacon of potential in the evolving landscape of digital assets. Its unique positioning within the modularity blockchain niche, combined with the dual-layer innovation of Manta Atlantic and Manta Pacific, sets it apart as a promising contender in the crypto space. As we navigate the delicate transition from a bear to a bull market, Manta's potential for substantial returns, ranging from 20x to 40x, underscores its value as a strategic addition to any investor's portfolio. While cautious optimism is always prudent in the volatile realm of cryptocurrency, Manta's early achievements and future prospects offer a compelling case for consideration. With its robust technological foundation, significant exchange listings, and the anticipation of further growth catalysts such as a Coinbase listing, Manta is poised for remarkable developments. As we look ahead, the blend of safety and potential for high returns makes Manta an attractive proposition for both seasoned investors and those new to the crypto world. While the ultimate trajectory of Manta's journey remains to be seen, the current indicators suggest a bright future, making it a cryptocurrency worth watching in this bull run and beyond. Remember, while enthusiasm and optimism fuel the crypto community, informed decisions and diversified strategies form the bedrock of successful investment. Manta, with its promising features and potential, exemplifies the dynamic opportunities present in today's digital asset market, inviting us to explore the possibilities with both excitement and strategic foresight.